If you are here for comfort, leave. If you are here for excuses, exit now. If you are here to feel good, this is not for you. This is not motivation. This phase is for builders, finishers. This phase is for people willing to erase their old identity completely. What begins now cannot be undone. Because once you see clearly, you can never go back to sleep. There comes a moment in every serious life where you stop asking, is this hard? Is this necessary? Listen, growth does not negotiate. Discipline does not apologize. At this level, comfort becomes the enemy. Distraction becomes betrayal. Delay becomes self-destruction. You are no longer upgrading your life. You are replacing the person who lived the life in a weak manner. This is not self-help. This is self-replacement. Let me warn you, this phase gets lonely. People will not understand you. Some will feel threatened by your discipline. Some will quietly hope you fail. Not because you are wrong, but because your standards expose their excuses. Do not explain. Do not defend. Do not negotiate. Growth requires emotional solitude. Every elite performer walked alone at some point, not because they hated people, but because focus demands isolation. Loneliness is not loss. Loneliness is concentration. At this level, emotions lose voting rights. You do not ask how you feel. You ask what must be done. You wake up tired, you execute. You feel uninspired, you execute. You feel misunderstood, you execute. This is where amateurs quit. This is where professionals are born. Discipline is not cruel. Discipline is honest. It rewards effort. It punishes inconsistency. Weak results come from weak systems. Fix the system, results will follow. Understand this clearly. Attachment creates weakness. Detachment creates leverage. Operate from position, not emotion. Think 3 moves ahead. Let others reveal themselves. Silence becomes strategy. Patience becomes weapon. Timing becomes dominance. You do not rush power. You position power. Time is not neutral. Time is either sharpened or time is wasted. Most people think time is abundant. That belief is what ruins them. Delay compounds weakness. Discipline compounds power. Every day you postpone action, your old identity strengthens its grip. Distraction is not harmless. It is slow self-destruction. The elite treat time like capital. Every hour must justify its existence. Ask yourself, did today move me forward or did I preserve comfort? Time does not wait for anyone. Those who win, they move early. They move with confidence. They move with clarity. Let us be honest. You already know some people who have same dreams, same talk, same plans, but years later they are in the same position. Why? Life attacked them? No. They delayed execution. Meanwhile, those who accepted discomfort now live with several options. This is not luck. This is consequence. Every ignored discipline becomes future regret. Every executed habit becomes future leverage. No mercy mode is not aggression, it is foresight. You choose pain now, or you will feel pain later. One pain builds power, the other pain is regret. There is a version of you that must die, the version that delayed, the version that waited for the correct mood, the version that kept comfort as backup. Do not romanticize your past struggles. Do not protect old habits. Do not keep weak identities alive. Burn the bridge, not dramatically, decisively. You cannot build a new future while secretly respecting your old limits. New identity demands clean separation. From this point forward, you move even when it is silent. You work even when it is boring. You execute even when it is uncomfortable. No mercy for procrastination. No mercy for inconsistency. No mercy for the weak internal voice. This is not cruelty. This is clarity. The world does not reward intention. The world rewards execution. You are no longer here to try. You are here to finish. Lock your identity. Walk out disciplined. Operate cold. This phase builds empires. No mercy, only results.